y'all, it's Kayla and welcome back to my channel. Today is October 28th, which means we are 3 days out, I can math, 3 days out from Halloween. And if you're anything like me, you never come up with a Halloween costume any sooner than today. I am the worst at picking out Halloween costumes. Ever since my parents stopped picking out Halloween costumes for me, I am the queen of being indecisive. And last minute Halloween costumes. So I thought today I would take you along and show you some of my favorites that I've done in the past, some different ideas, what I might be this year. I honestly still don't know. But then I also thought I would go to the store. I'm gonna go to Target and probably Party City as well because they're right next door. And show you things that you can literally last minute throw together for under $20 from Target, Party City, any store that has like basically anything, and your own closet. So we are going to head to the store. I'm going to take you along with me. I'm going to show you some ideas. I might buy some things and actually put them together. But more likely than not, I'll just show you some things there, and then I'll show you some things that I can make out of my closet. Starting with a quarantine staple. All right, here is our first idea. Everyone and their mother bought a tie-dye tracksuit during quarantine. Like, if you don't have one, you're lying. And you can also find these at Target. I'll show you a few when I'm there. But this one right here has two purposes. I could be like basic TikTok girl in a, you know, tie-dye sweatsuit, but also my sister likes to call this, because Kelsey has one as well, she likes to call this our Billie Eilish outfit. So if I fix up my makeup and hair a little bit, got some like colored hairspray, girl, I could just be Billie Eilish. So there is one idea. I'm in my car. It is heating up right now. I am back in the outfit I filmed the intro in because I was gonna wear the Billie Eilish sweatsuit, but it was way too hot. So I'm going to head into Target first because I figure we'll find more things, more ideas there, and then I'm gonna jump into Party City and see if there's anything else we can find. All right, we're at Target. We got our mask on. Let's go find some Halloween ideas. Options are endless, so be really easy to do this trend. All right, as y'all saw, Target was pretty sparse, which I kind of expected it to be. So now I'm gonna go in to Party City and see what I can find. I'm back in my car. As you guys saw, Party City was pretty picked over as well. The nice about Party City is year-round they have that color wall back there that I went through. So you can get things, they're all relatively inexpensive, in like every color under the sun. So you saw I picked up a few things there. So I really didn't get much, but I got enough like little accessory things that with what I have at home and makeup, I'm gonna be able to come up with at least like 10 costumes out of just the few things I bought. So we are gonna head home and try on some costumes. All right, I am home from the store and I'm going to show you what all I bought before we start going into some costume ideas and showing you things that I have in my own wardrobe that I'm gonna use for costumes. as well as going back through some of my old costumes, which will be fun. So Target first, I spent about $15 at Target on some stuff. So the first thing I got, y'all saw right in the like discount section, was this witch hat. They used to have a black one, and had I, you know, planned Halloween, I would have gotten that one, but they only had the pink ones left, which like honestly I'm fine with. So I got this pink witch hat, which I, you know, this one's kind of a specific, obviously, piece, but it still is one that was $3 and super useful. This bag is Target and Party City, so I'm just gonna kind of show you what all I got in general. So at Target, I got this $4 pink and purple glitter set. So it has chunky glitter and a glitter gel, so two different types. This one's kind of like a foil, that's a chunky glitter, and then a glitter gel. So a lot of the stuff I got at Target was makeup stuff, which I think makeup is the easiest way to come up with really fun costumes. I tend to do a lot of makeup costumes, so I'll show you a few right now. This was maybe last Halloween, maybe the Halloween before. Did I dress up last year? I don't remember. But I just literally was a zombie. I put on whatever clothes I had, and then I did like epic dead makeup, so there's that. I've done like epic Effie trinket makeup costumes, so makeup is kind of like the easy one for me. Oh, I was a cat. I was a leopard with makeup, and literally I wore black, and then I had cat ears and makeup. So when you're thinking of last minute costumes, using makeup makes it a lot easier to pull from your own closet and still be something completely different and fun. I also got this spray on gold temporary glitter, which is for hair and body, which is awesome. This, last time I bought something like this was actually my sophomore year of high school when I was Kesha. I literally wore like all black and then attacked myself with this stuff because that was like TikTok era Kesha. That was all like just gold glitter and just dripping in glitter. So I was Kesha that year. This is really the only thing I bought for that costume. I borrowed a necklace from a friend, I wore all black, and then I covered myself in this stuff. So that is $2. Also at Target, another one of my Halloween staples, and I probably actually still have some of these in my makeup collection. It is the Wet n Wild glitter palettes. These are $3.99 a piece, and they usually come out with 3 or 4 different color schemes in a year. There were only 2 when I was there today, but again, it's 3 days before Halloween. So I got this like warm toned, but also has like a slate gray, and then this like blue green kit. So more glitter. Honestly, Halloween is just like glitter central. I love glitter. Okay, I think the rest of this is Party City. Yes. So Party City, first thing I got, standard, I bought 2 of them because they were 99 cents. And also I know I'm not gonna wanna put them back in my mouth. So, monster teeth, really easy, vampire life. So easy to do a vampire costume. I think I'm gonna do a Twilight vampire costume with these. I bought a crown. Now this one is black. I wanted a silver one, but they were all out of their silver and gold ones, of course. But they have these in literally every color. Y'all saw that color wall that's at the back of Party City, or at least back of mine. It's in different places, different ones. But it's kind of like intended for like sport team stuff, but all year round, they have those sections of every color where they have just random accessories. And a lot of what I got, actually the rest of what I got from Party City is from that section. So like I went over to the black section and I got this crown, which, you know, being the book nerd I am, I'm thinking some night court, high lady of the night court going on here. I don't know. Then we got these hair extensions, these like foiled hair extensions in gold and silver, but they have hair extensions in every color. These ones I just thought were fun because they were foiled. And again, this would have been great for like my Kesha look. And then they also have lips, they have like lipstick, face paint, stuff like that. So to go with vampire teeth, I just got like a cheap red lipstick because I didn't want to use like my nice red lipstick to like make it look like blood. So that is what I got. I spent a grand total of like $25 between the 2 stores to get all of that. As you all saw in the like vlog footage, there's so many different things you can get at those stores for cheap. Most of Party City's wigs are $30 and under, and they tend to sell wigs this time of year. They have a lot of accessories. Their costumes are obviously picked over, but there's still so many things. Like they still had halos and masks and wings and like just random accessories that you could put on your own costume pieces, your own clothing at home, and just buy accessories. So the biggest way to come up with a last minute Halloween costume, accessories and makeup. Because you have clothes. I can pull stuff in my closet and make all sorts of different things. And that's what we're gonna do right now. Okay, so before we jump into me actually putting on costumes and doing some like more sneaky costume creating from like my actual clothes, let's talk about some like really on the nose stuff. A lot of different like fandoms, people buy clothing that applies to those characters, or, you know, thinking specifically we'll talk about Harry Potter. If you know your Harry Potter house, chances are you own something of that house, right? So, easiest thing for me to ever be, is a Hogwarts student. Like, here's a picture of me from back to school to back to Hogwarts Day in basically a Hogwarts uniform. So, I've got my Ginny wand because it's my favorite. I have a Hufflepuff house sweater. Really easy to do outfit. Or if I want to be a little more casual, I've got this like athletic one that no one at Hogwarts would really wear, but I have it. Right? So that's like a really simple, like people would know what you are. And it generally is something that if you're a big Harry Potter fan, you have some of this stuff. You have a wand, right? Like if you're a huge nerd like I am, you have this. So that's just a really simple one that like for me would take me 30 seconds to put together. Like grab this. I have my like Hufflepuff themed books that look more like textbooks than Harry Potter books. Like we got props, we got the whole 9 yards. So that is one of my ideas, to just easily take some fandom stuff that you have and be that. All right, we're gonna turn this wardrobe staple into 3 costumes right now. So this is just a black sweater dress that like goes down to my like mid calves. It's long, it's really cozy. And the main thing I like about this for Halloween is that it's warm. It's a long sleeve sweater material dress. You don't have to wear layers, even if you're going out like trick-or-treating with kids or just like walking to a party like I used to in college and things like that. So it's super simple and you can do so many things with it. So just with 3 of the things I bought, boom, instantly I'm a witch. For extra emphasis, I could add my Harry Potter wand if I felt like it, right? So there's one idea. Easy. $3. I already owned this. I already owned this. $3 hat. What? Next. Dark Halloween princess. No one's gonna question you if you're wearing a dress and a tiara. No one will question you. They may be like, oh, so that was a lazy costume idea. But hey, here I am. I got my black tiara on. This cost me $3, $2. It was not expensive at all. This dress I already owned. So here I am. I'm gonna do this is my really cheap Farrah costume for my ACOTAR fans. There you go. Boom. Done. Next. I hate these, I hate these, I hate these. Take some freaking vampire teeth. I hurt so bad. 99% vampire teeth. Or lipstick. This is really bad red lipstick. But you know what I mean? Each of those things only required one thing to purchase that all were $3 or less. You have a red lipstick. You don't have to buy the cheap red lipstick. But again, this is still $3. This was a $2 lipstick, $1 teeth. So, super simple. I also could have worn this dress with my zombie makeup that I did that year. This could also be put on cat ears and do some, you know, leopard spots. There's so many things you could do with just a simple black dress, which I know y'all have in your closet. All right, next thing I pulled out of my closet is a like pretty maxi dress. This one is probably like the fanciest one I have. Now obviously I wouldn't wear it with the Skims from Knit Bra, but whatever, it's what I had on. But a couple of options with this one. Number one, you can bring back the tiara and you're still a princess. There you go, but you're in a maxi dress this time. Or I just have like brilliant thought, because I need to go downstairs and watch Bachelorette. Grab a rose. This one is fake and from my Bookstagram props. And now you are a Bachelor contestant or the Bachelorette during their photo shoot. And you've got your rose. You could make this a friend group costume, have all your friends dress up in like nice dresses and pretend to be Bachelorette contestants. That would make for a really fun personality costume. So there's that. Everyone has at least one good maxi dress. Put it to use. Even better if you still have a formal dress for this one. So that is another thing pulled off from another piece of my wardrobe. Speaking of really easy friend costumes, you have to have at least 2 friends that have either something pink, green, or blue. So I had this blue dress in my closet. I grabbed some scrunchies, and now I'm Bubbles. Find your Blossom and Buttercup, and there you go. I've been the Blossom for friend groups before, thrown on a pink dress. So this one's a really easy costume to be a Powerpuff Girl, because when you're an adult, a Powerpuff Girl is literally just whatever color, whatever blue, pink, and green stuff you have. Bubbles obviously has to have the pigtails, so there you go. Okay, so this last costume was kind of accidental because I ordered a great dress, or so I thought, a great dress on Amazon. I was really excited about it, and it got here, and I put it on, and I was like, yeah, it's cute, but also it's really easy to go from 0 to, just give me a moment. This went from 0 to Handmaid's Tale a little too quick. So obviously that was just like, I had to show you because it was ridiculous that I had all this. But this was like totally accidental. But hey, it feels too realistic right now, and I just can't just pretend that didn't happen. So now that I've shown you some costumes that you can make at home with the stuff we bought, with stuff I already had, I want to show you just some pictures of costumes that I have, like, not going to put on. But my freshman year of college, yes, that was the year it was, I was a Black Widow. I literally just wore like fancy rich person clothes, and I made myself a like veil and pretended I was at a funeral all day for my rich husband. My senior year of high school, I had 2 costumes. The first one, actually I had 3 costumes that year, because I did a StyledByKaylaXO that year, which we'll talk about in a little bit. For school that day, I just literally wore jeans, like flannel, suspenders, glasses, and pigtails all day. I was just like a nerd. And then I went to a party that Halloween, and I was a song pun, because I love song puns, and I was Call Me Maybe. I literally took my old soccer jersey, I got a little name tag that said, you know, hello, my name is, and I wrote maybe on the back. I said, here's my number, and it had my, you know, my soccer number on it, and I carried around a phone all night. And I was Call Me Maybe. Like, this is one of my favorite costumes I've ever done. So there's lots of different ways you can come up with costumes just out of your own clothes. Really easy to do. And I highly encourage y'all to do that. The other thing I've done is down below and on my channel, you'll see I have a playlist called Styled by Kayla. And I started this channel doing celebrity makeup and outfit tutorials and trying to like recreate celebrity looks. And we call that series Styled by Kayla. Obviously that's how this channel got its name. And I think there are like 15 of them now. So if you want to dress up as your favorite celebrity, take a look at those, and there's tutorials all over the internet to do that. Or just pick a picture of your favorite celebrity and come up with a costume idea from it, right? It's so easy to do, and it doesn't take you much time or much money. So those are some of my awesome Halloween costume ideas. If you like this video, give it a big old thumbs up. Please comment below what you're gonna be for Halloween. Subscribe if you're new, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye!